In the face of impending doom, every second counts. Seconds can mean the difference between life and death in a disaster scenario, and yet we often find ourselves caught off guard, scrambling for safety as the danger approaches. Wouldn't it be game-changing if we could predict these disasters before they strike, allowing us to prepare and respond effectively? Today we are going to explore the cutting-edge technology that is making this a reality. Artificial intelligence is transforming the way we prepare for and respond to disasters, from predicting earthquakes and volcanic eruptions to optimizing evacuation routes and coordinating relief efforts. In this video, we will delve into some recent studies and specific applications that showcase the incredible potential of AI in this field. Get ready to discover how AI is helping us to save lives and build more resilient communities in the face of natural disasters. A study published in Nature recently reported a system that uses artificial intelligence to analyze seismic data and estimate the likelihood of an earthquake within seconds of it happening. The AI model was trained on a massive dataset of over 270,000 earthquakes that occurred in California and Nevada over a span of more than 30 years. This extensive training allowed the algorithm to learn the complex patterns and relationships between various seismic factors and the occurrence of earthquakes. The result is a powerful tool capable of analyzing real-time seismic data and providing valuable insights into the probability of an imminent earthquake. One of the most significant advantages of this AI-powered system is its speed and efficiency. It can process vast amounts of seismic data in near real time, providing valuable insights within seconds of an earthquake occurring. This rapid analysis enables emergency services and individuals to make quick decisions, potentially saving lives and reducing property damage. The researchers envision that this technology could be integrated into existing early warning systems, providing an additional layer of protection against earthquakes. By leveraging the power of AI, we can enhance our preparedness and response to these natural disasters, ultimately creating safer communities. Volcanoes hold both beauty and danger. Their awe-inspiring eruptions can also pose significant threats to human lives and the environment. However, there are signs that precede a volcanic eruption, such as changes in gas emissions, ground deformation, and seismic activity. These precursors can provide valuable insights into the likelihood and timing of an eruption, enabling scientists to monitor volcanic activity and issue timely alerts. In a recent study published in the journal Frontiers in Earth Science, researchers have developed an AI-powered system that analyzes real-time data from various monitoring instruments to assess the probability of an impending eruption. The system has been trained on a vast amount of historical data from different volcanoes, enabling it to learn the patterns and relationships between precursor signals and volcanic eruptions. This AI-driven approach offers several advantages in volcanic monitoring. First, it can process vast amounts of data quickly and efficiently, identifying patterns that may not be apparent to humans. By analyzing data from multiple sources, the AI can provide a comprehensive assessment of the risk of eruption, taking into account various precursor signals. Additionally, this system can be integrated with existing monitoring networks, enhancing the capabilities of traditional monitoring infrastructure. In the event of an eruption, the AI-powered system can provide valuable insights into the likely intensity and duration of the eruption. This information can help emergency responders to make informed decisions, allowing them to allocate resources effectively and prioritize safety measures. The researchers believe that this technology has the potential to revolutionize volcanic monitoring, providing a more accurate and efficient way to assess the risk of eruptions. By harnessing the power of AI, we can better understand and predict volcanic activity, ultimately enhancing public safety and environmental protection. AI is proving to be invaluable in optimizing evacuation routes during disasters, ensuring that people can escape danger efficiently and safely. Evacuation planning is crucial when disasters like hurricanes or floods threaten a community. However, traditional methods of planning evacuation routes can be time-consuming and may not account for real-time conditions. This is where AI-powered solutions are stepping in to revolutionize the way evacuations are managed. A recent study published in the journal Transportation Research Part C, Traffic and Transportation, has showcased an AI system designed to optimize evacuation routes based on real-time traffic conditions. The system uses deep reinforcement learning algorithms, which enable an AI agent to learn from its own experiences and improve its decision-making abilities over time. In the context of evacuations, this means that the AI agent can learn from past evacuation patterns and adapt to changing conditions, ultimately finding the most efficient routes to guide evacuees away from danger. The effectiveness of this AI-powered solution has been demonstrated through simulations of evacuations under various scenarios. The results show that the AI-assisted evacuations led to shorter travel times and reduced congestion compared to traditional route planning methods. Moreover, the system is able to adapt to unexpected events such as road closures or accidents, providing alternative routes as needed. The researchers believe that this technology has the potential to significantly improve the efficiency and safety of evacuations during emergencies. By utilizing AI-powered route optimization, communities can ensure that their residents are guided to safety while minimizing the impact on transportation systems and other critical infrastructure. But what if we could do even more? What if we could leverage the power of AI to coordinate relief efforts and provide essential aid to those affected by disasters? It sounds like a dream, but it's becoming a reality. In the aftermath of a disaster, the need for relief and rescue operations is immediate and crucial. Every minute counts in saving lives and alleviating suffering. Traditional relief and rescue operations can often be hampered by factors such as limited resources, communication breakdowns, and the sheer scale of the disaster zone. However, AI-powered solutions are emerging to address these challenges and revolutionize the way aid is delivered in the aftermath of a disaster. A recent study published in the journal IEE Transactions on Network Science and Engineering presents an AI-driven platform that coordinates relief efforts in disaster scenarios. The platform utilizes multi-agent reinforcement learning, which involves multiple AI agents working together to achieve a common goal. In the context of disaster relief, these agents can represent different types of resources, such as medical personnel, search and rescue teams, and delivery drones. The AI agents interact with each other and the environment to optimize the allocation of resources and ensure that aid is delivered to those who need it the most. This platform has been tested in simulations of various disaster scenarios, such as earthquakes and hurricanes, demonstrating its ability to coordinate relief efforts effectively. The results show that the AI-driven approach can significantly reduce the time it takes to deliver aid and improve overall response efficiency. One of the key features of this platform is its adaptability to different types of disasters and environments. The multi-agent system can learn from different scenarios and adjust its behavior accordingly, making it a versatile tool for a wide range of relief and rescue operations. Furthermore, the platform is designed to integrate with real-time data sources such as social media feeds and sensor networks, allowing for continuous monitoring and adjustments to aid delivery as conditions change. The researchers believe that this technology has the potential to transform disaster relief and rescue operations, enabling faster and more efficient aid delivery and ultimately saving lives. AI's ability to sift through vast amounts of data quickly allows it to identify patterns and insights that humans might miss. This proves invaluable when dealing with complex challenges like optimizing resource allocation, predicting the spread of wildfires, and personalizing educational content. AI's speed and accuracy in these areas are driving significant improvements in efficiency and effectiveness. For instance, in wildfire management, AI can analyze real-time data from various sources such as weather forecasts, satellite imagery, and terrain maps to create detailed fire risk models. These models allow firefighters to focus their efforts where they're most needed, potentially saving lives, homes, and natural habitats. As we continue to explore the potential of AI, it's important to address the concerns and biases that come with this powerful technology. One of the key challenges is ensuring fairness and mitigating bias in AI algorithms. AI systems are only as good as the data they are trained on, and they can perpetuate and even amplify existing societal biases if not carefully designed. It's crucial to address these issues through diverse and inclusive teams developing AI solutions, promoting transparency in algorithms, and establishing accountability mechanisms. By taking these steps, we can work towards creating AI systems that are not only powerful, but also fair and equitable for all. The applications of AI in various fields are vast and growing. From healthcare to finance, manufacturing to entertainment, AI is transforming industries and enhancing our daily lives in countless ways. One area where AI is making significant strides is in the realm of customer service. Traditionally, customer service has relied on human agents to handle inquiries, resolve issues, and provide support. However, AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are now emerging as game-changing solutions, providing faster, more efficient, and personalized customer experiences. These AI-driven systems can understand and respond to customer queries in real time, resolving issues promptly and accurately. They can also learn from customer interactions, improving their responses and service over time. By implementing AI-powered customer service solutions, businesses can reduce wait times, increase customer satisfaction, and free up human agents to handle more complex issues. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even more innovative applications that push the boundaries of what's possible. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, the potential for AI to improve our lives is truly exciting. However, it's important to approach this technology responsibly, addressing ethical concerns and ensuring that AI benefits all of humanity. By embracing a future-proof mindset and investing in education and training, we can ensure that we are ready to harness the incredible potential of AI for the betterment of society.